Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix blurry photos on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon and then tap on the search bar. On the search bar type in Adobe Lightroom, and then once the app loads, tap on the app and then tap on the get option. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is simply open up your app, and then what you need to do is simply load in that blurry photo. Now once you have loaded, here what you need to do is tap on this effects option and tap on effects once again, and here you'll find the option to increase the texture, clarity and dehaze. All you gotta do is just simply increase the clarity and then increase the texture according to the requirement of the photo. Don't do it too much, make it look natural. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.